Hey guys, welcome back to the Unboxing Guru. Today we are doing a full detailed review of the Moto Edge 60 Fusion. A phone that is stylish, powerful and intelligent. And yes, it now comes with Moto's brand new Moto AI features. Taking this phone to a whole new level, I'll cover everything in this video, so make sure you watch till the end. First of all, let's start with the design of the phone. The Moto Edge 60 Fusion is just 8.25mm thick and weighs only 180 grams, making it feel super slim and lightweight in hand. We get Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection on both the front and the back. Plus, it comes with IP68 water and dust resistance. So it's just not stylish, but durable too. Although the hand feel is quite amazing and I like this curved display. Yes, the phone gets 6.7-inch POLED quad curved display with a resolution of 1220 into 2712 pixel and 446 ppi for sharp visuals. Also, as we all know that Motorola use Pantone welded true color accuracy that brings the colors on the display true to life. HDR10, HDR10 plus support, 1400 nits of brightness with 4500 nits of HDR peak, 120 Hz of refresh rate with SGS blue light reduction and motion blur reduction. Also, this phone gets Water Touch 3.0. It means that you can get smooth touch response even when the screen is wet. And for the security purpose, it comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor. So in overall way, you're gonna love the display of the phone. It's quite amazing and the colors are really good. Now coming to the performance part, this phone is packed up with MediaTek Dimensity 7400. With the 2.5 GHz of octa-core processor, you get 8GB of RAM plus 8GB virtual RAM and 256GB of internal storage for fast multitasking and app loading. You can also expand the storage up to 1TB via a hybrid memory card. Well, not discussing about the performance of chipset, I personally believe it performs really decent. You can even enjoy the BGMI on this chipset. Also for the day-to-day task, this chipset is enough. So in overall way, whether it's gaming, daily tasks or social media scrolling, everything will run quite super smooth. Now coming to the camera, yes, the camera setup is simple yet effective. 50 megapixel main camera sensor with optical image stabilization gives you a sharp and stable photos. 13 megapixel ultra wide camera for capturing wide shot also performs really good in the daylight. And as we all know that Motorola use that Pantone welded true color helps you out to take a real true to life pictures from the camera. But coming to the night part, this phone struggles a bit. Coming to the selfie camera, you get 32 megapixel front camera with Sony LYT-700 sensor for clear and natural selfies, and I really have no complaints regarding the front camera. Coming to the best part of the camera, this camera can shoot up to 4K 30 FPS, and here are some samples.
और गाइस, तो ये जो फुटेज आप देख रहे हैं इसके फ्रंट सेल्फी कैमरा से रिकॉर्ड हो रहे हैं और यहाँ पर आपको 4K 30 FPS का ऑप्शन दे रखा है। क्वालिटी जो है कुछ इस तरह की मिल जाती है। वेल कमिंग टू द सनलाइट, यहाँ पर आपको कुछ इस तरह का जो कलर डिफरेंस है देखने को मिलता है। डायरेक्ट सनलाइट में खड़ा हूँ मैं, देख सकते हो इस तरफ सन है, और अगर मैं अगेंस्ट सन हूँ तो यहाँ पे कितने अच्छी तरीके से ये मेरे फेस को मेंटेन करके रख रहा है, तो ये मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे। ऑलराइट गाइस, तो ये जो है बैक कैमरा और यहाँ पर आप 4K 60 FPS में रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हो। और यहाँ की जो क्वालिटी है जैसे आपको नजर आती है, जैसे मैं अभी सनलाइट में खड़ा हूँ डायरेक्ट, और अभी इस तरह से अगर मैं शेडो में मूव करता हूँ तो यहाँ पर कलर्स जो हैं और लाइट जो है कितनी प्रॉपर मेंटेन करके रखता है, आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा। कैसा लगा कैमरा, कमेंट की जरूरत है।
But now it's time for the Moto AI features. Yes, now Moto has finally introduced themselves into the AI segment, and this phone is going to have that kind of capabilities. AI Text Summarizer. Summarize long emails or articles smartly to save your time. Moto AI Personal Assistant helps you make your daily tasks easier with smart suggestions, smart replies, and smart action. In short, this phone is not just smart anymore, it's super smart. Also, when you look into the battery segment, nowadays phones are having good amount of capacity. This phone is also packed up with 5500 mAh battery with 68 watt turbo power fast charging. Charge the phone fully in just a few minutes. Now coming to the most important aspect, the software and the connectivity, I am personally impressed with Motorola because it comes with stock Android. Also, this phone is packed up with latest Android 15, so you don't have any kind of an issue. Rest, the connectivities are quite good. You get 4G, 5G, VoLTE support, everything is there, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi, USB-C version 2.0 port for easy transfer of data. So now coming to the conclusion, I believe the Moto Edge 60 Fusion is a stylish, powerful and intelligent phone that has become even smarter with Moto AI features. If you're looking for a futuristic phone that offers performance, design and innovation under the bracket of 25,000, then this price range, you should definitely consider this one. But before leaving the video, what do you think about the new Moto AI features? Let me know your opinion in the comments. And for more honest and smart tech reviews, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Unboxing Guru.